Hello there, YouTube. Not much going on, really, so it's just a usual check-in video. I wanted to wish you all a fine and nice Cop Tuesday, hence I'm smoking my Missouri Pride. With some Kentucky Bird, which is quickly becoming my go-to everyday aromatic smoke. Actually, that's a nice topic, because I think that this tobacco is pretty common. I see it in shops now and again, but it doesn't get any, well, the recognition it deserves, in my opinion. I started smoking with Mac Baren Original Choice, and for the long time it was my go-to aromatic tobacco because, it burns okay, the quality is okay, the pouch note is great, sort of raisiny, dried fruit kind of smell. But if I compare it to this, I would even dare call Mac Baren chemical compared to this one. So yeah, Kentucky Bird all the time, with real flowers. Indeed, there are flower pellets in the tobacco. There is definitely casing here, but it's much more subtle. It's definitely not easy, using only one hand. Pretty windy today, but at least it's sunny. And I can see two cats fighting somewhere in the tree. One has just forced the other one up the tree, out there. I won't turn the camera around because it's too far away. Remind you, I'll tell you a cat story someday in the future. Also, I might add that there's yet another update on my giveaway. As of now, the file is uploading or converting. And as soon as I get back from work, I'll probably upload it. I wanted to do this in the morning, but turns out that the audio was bad. My usual problem is it's always the audio. I don't know how the audio to this clip will turn out. Well, what will be the quality of this video, because I'm rearranging the microphone down there. See that? Anyways, once again, happy Cop Tuesday, happy puffing, and expect another video pretty soon. See you.